Hey, have you been told by marketers that My Lead Gen Secret is the secret to getting all your traffic? It's going to make you all this money and you're going to actually be able to, mail out these people and make tons of money. And people on YouTube are showing you all these commissions saying that you have to have 5 accounts and you're going to make a ton of money. Well, you came to the right place because I am going to tell you exactly what they are doing and exactly why you are not getting the kind of results that you want to with My Lead Gen Secret, and why you are actually spending more money on these accounts than if you would just go and buy paid traffic, quality paid traffic, right? Now, My Lead Gen Secret is a lead company which actually puts leads into a system. So that means they're not technically your lead until they get onto your email list, right? So if you are using a strategy like this, you should always be sending your leads to a capture page so that way you retain them, because this system is not your lead system, right? So it has to be on your email list in order for you to be able to actually follow up with those people, right, and do all that, right? They have to be on your list to be your lead. Otherwise, they haven't become your lead yet, right? And the problem that a lot of people have is that they have like 5, 6, 7, 15 accounts, and they're getting little to no results. They're making a sale every here and there, and they're being told by these marketers to go and buy these accounts and then use other things in combination, such as Traffic Authority, which is overpriced. And the only reason Traffic Authority is overpriced is because they have an affiliate program, which means they have to pay out their affiliates and everything like that. And as far as this goes, when you get like 4 signups, you get like $100 for that, right? So and it's residual income, right? So it's what these marketers are doing, is they're going and they're making video series, and they're selling you the process of making money because they know that you want to make money. They know you're really serious about making money, and they know you struggle with traffic and lead generation, right? So what they do for you is they tell you a process that you can use to actually get started, but they're not actually doing this process. Majority of their traffic that they're getting is from YouTube, from watching videos, from doing these video series. Then they send their people to a Facebook group or a place to where they can actually market to them, but they do have large YouTube followings. So a lot of their traffic, when they show you $20,000 a month and stuff like that, a lot of this stuff that they're showing you comes from YouTube traffic making videos. It's not coming from these sources. These sources are actually low quality lead generation sources that you should cancel. You should stop spending your money on this and actually get some quality traffic, actually get support and people that will actually help you with your marketing, rather than having you buy all these programs and spending thousands of dollars and getting little to no support, right? I highly suggest you come over to my store right here, theprofitbuilderstraffic.com. But before you buy anything from me, go look at my testimonials in the Solo Ads testimonial group, and also go look at some of my results for people that I've got, right? So my goal is to actually help you get the highest converting traffic, and help you to get very targeted traffic to the offers that you're promoting. And you want to make sure that your capture page and your copy are congruent, right? So your sales copy and your capture page are congruent. That's very important. And then you want to make sure that the traffic that you're getting is high quality, and it's actually people that are interested in marketing, right? Because a lot of people who buy solo ads just get solo ads thinking that they're just going to run traffic through a funnel and they're going to make all this money, and that's not how it works. So you have to make sure that they have an interest in marketing. You have to make sure that they're high quality, and you have to actually build a relationship with them. And video is actually a good way to build a relationship with your list. If you're not using YouTube video, which is a free method, you should be, right? And sending those videos to your email list, right? And so when you get traffic from me, you're going to get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get a mix of different, traffic from me in those areas. And I want to help you to get the highest conversion with your funnel and your pages, right? My highest conversion to date, this says 85%, but it's actually 90% opt-in rate with conversions, right? Which is unbelievable. It's amazing. I'm so happy for people that I've been able to get that high of a conversion rate. And I want you to understand how to track your leads and conversion, because a lot of people that come to me, they buy traffic and they don't understand how to track anything. They're basically just running traffic to a funnel. And if you just run traffic to a funnel without knowing any stats, you're going to really burn through a lot of money. You're really not going to get the kind of results that you want to get without knowing how to properly track. And then I want to help you build a list of the most engaged people who actually want to buy from you, right? So when you get, traffic from me, you have the option to actually set up a call. So the first step would be to actually, book a traffic package from me. And the more traffic you get, the cheaper it is. That's just how I do, right? And then, step two is I'm going to actually, give you a strategy call and a campaign review, which means I'm going to help you to be able to get the highest conversions with your traffic and be able to know exactly what you're doing right, exactly what you're doing wrong, exactly what you need to do in your next steps of marketing to get results, right? And then we typically do the campaign within 72 hours or less. So, I put a 3-day grace period, between people that get orders, so that way I could focus on the order and make sure everything is right. And, actually, I like having the opportunity to speak to the people who buy from me, so that way I can actually help them get the best results possible. Now, a lot of people don't do this. I prefer to. That's why I don't sell on sites like Udemy and things like that, because I want to actually talk to whoever buys traffic from me. I want to know where you're having issues at, and I want to be able to help you so that way you're not spending time and money trying to figure this all out on your own. I want to give you that support that you never really had. And here's some of my results that I've got for people. Here's 200 clicks, 90%. Here's the 90% in 3 sales. And there's a bunch of them right here. So you could scroll through this and look at all these testimonials that I have. So here's the 90% tier 1 package, 90% right here, 100% right here. 100% is always going to be your best. It's going to be your highest quality traffic because it's 100% tier 1, which means 100% English speaking countries. If you have any questions, come down here and look at these right here. A lot of your questions are going to be in here that you have. If you have any more questions, you could write me right here. Right, you could write me right here. You could find me on Facebook. I suggest doing both. Connect with me on Facebook because I want to connect with you. I want to actually be Facebook friends. I want to be able to help you. So make sure you connect with me on Facebook. And one thing to know about me is I can't offer refunds on traffic because it's paid traffic. But what I can do is if you're having any issues with your traffic, please reach out to me. Please tell me that you're having an issue. Please let me know, bring it to my attention, and I will do everything in my power to make sure that you are getting quality, you are getting all the things that you have, all the questions that you have taken care of. I will make sure that you get, everything that you've ordered. So you will get exactly what you ordered from me, nothing less. Right. So I will make sure that you are compensated in traffic if you have any issues with any kind of, traffic order that you come across. Right. I make sure you're taken care of, and I want to see you get results. Right. So, if you want to get high quality traffic and stop buying, crappy traffic from these sources like My Lead Gen Secret or Traffic Authority, make sure you order a traffic package from me today. Click on the link below this video to actually come to this page. Also, you can get into my free Facebook group. There's a link in the description as well. Make sure you get into the free Facebook group. And also, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Alright, I'll talk to you soon, and bye for now.